It's just wonderful to be a part of this completely illustrious gathering. When I was approached by Ashi really to do this, I was all set to say I didn't want to do this. Then a little or rather big nudge from Zoya, and I just said why not, because brevity, as I said, has not been my strength. I've never made a short film in my life. I was a little overawed by these filmmakers because all of them have done some exceptional and path-breaking stuff before, and I just felt a little scared that whether I would fit in. But I'm so glad after I did it that I did finally kind of succumb.
Like Vikram said, that Ashi spoke to Viacom 18 a year and a half ago, but what very few people know is that Ashi spoke to all of us close to about 2.5 years ago. 2.5 years ago, Ashi was already planning. Ashi already knew that the 100 years of cinema would come. And Ashi was already, she had no films to her credit at that point. They just had a fledgling production house, and she was making the rounds of all the directors and telling them, listen, 3 years from now, there'll be the 100 years of cinema. Can we do something together?
I got onto this project at a dinner party at Anurag's, and there was Anurag and Dibakar, and they were discussing these shorts that they had signed. I mean, my film had released a year ago. I had nothing on the anvil. I wasn't writing anything, and I was beginning to feel a bit jello listening to their conversation. So Anurag told me, would you like to make a short? And I was like, what is this about? And he told me it's for 100 years of Indian cinema. And there's this young girl called Ashi, just meet her. Would you be interested in making a short? 4 directors are making it. And I was like, I'd love to.
I've had the privilege to know Ashi for quite some time. And when you were working on Return of Hanuman, long time back. When she came to me with the idea, I only saw it as one thing. I said, finally the first film that I ever wrote, I can make it. It was quite an exercise, and I think I've seen her go through because I was unconditionally on board, then Dibakar came, then Zoya came, then Karan came.
And added to that the ambitious layer of getting contemporary, well-known directors to come together and form one film. I just loved the thought and felt that if there was any way in which we could pay tribute to the audience that makes the cinema that it is in our nation, what better tribute for a centenary? What makes this more special and why we are honored at Viacom 18 to be a part of this project is that what you are witnessing here is not the launch of just another first look.
I just feel proud and honored to be standing with these filmmakers, and I'm really grateful to all of them for doing this film, and this has been the most amazing experience I think I'll ever have. And I want to thank Vikram because he came on board without even me having any director on board. So I really want to thank Vikram and Viacom 18, and thank you everyone.
मेरे ख्याल से इसमें स्टार प्रोड्यूसर है. इस तरह की फिल्में इंडिया में उतनी नहीं बनती है, लेकिन बाहर क्या होता है, जो प्रोड्यूसर होता है वो एक क्रिएटिव आदमी होता है या औरत होती है इन दिस केस, जो प्राइम सोर्स बनते हैं, जो पहल करते हैं कि ऐसी एक फिल्म बनेगी जिसका क्रिएटिव रुख ऐसा होगा और ऐसे एक्टर्स और ऐसे स्टार्स और ऐसी कहानियां हम बनाएंगे. तो मेरे ख्याल से 100 इयर्स में सबसे बड़ी जो शुरुआत है वो ये है कि पहल कदमी वाला प्रोड्यूसर जो होता है उसकी एक मिसाल हमको मिल रही है. तो मेरे ख्याल से हमको जेन्युइनली उस चीज को स्टार मानना चाहिए, और मैं चाहता हूं कि इस तरह के और प्रोड्यूसर्स आएं.
जी, इतने टैलेंटेड तो हम भी नहीं है कि 100 साल सिनेमा का हम 2 घंटों में समेट ले, वो तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. लेकिन ये जो हमने कहा था कि 100 इयर्स ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन, ये जो अवसर था, हम चारों जो हैं वो आए हैं अपनी कहानियां बताने इकट्ठे फॉर बॉम्बे टॉकीज. So it's not just that, we are representing or depicting Indian cinema.